Aloha everyone!
I'm Gabby
and I'm Georgie
and we are the mummies of Sisterhood Furniture
and content creators for Dixie Belle Paint. In this tutorial we will be working on this lovely tall boy, which is actually a commission piece for our lovely customer.
She already has these pieces that she got from us a while ago, and this is the last one that will complete her bedroom. So nice.
So we look forward to receiving some pictures, Alison.
Definitely. Anyway, if you'd like to see how we achieve this look, stay with us and let's do it!
Let's do it!
Let's do it!
I sanded the top to bare wood, starting with an 80 grit, which will easily remove the old varnish and all the scratches. Then I sanded it with 600 sandpaper grit, which is very fine, and it will make the wood to feel like silk. I cleaned this tall boy really well with white lightening Dixie Belle furniture cleaner and with an abrasive cloth. I rinsed the piece twice, only with water to remove any leftover dirt, and then I used a rag to absorb all the water, and I let the piece to dry for a few good hours. This is a shiny surface, so I will apply Slick Stick from Dixie Belle, which is an adhesion primer, and it will help the paint to bond to the piece properly. I applied 2 coats and then I let it dry for 24 hours. I painted the drawer side and inside with midnight green. This is such an elegant and stunning color, our favorite from silk paint. I applied 2 layers, letting each one to dry for 2 hours in between. Let's work on the first coat, starting with Conch and applying it on 3/4 of the piece. We are going for a smooth finish, so the synthetic brushes from Dixie Belle will give us that finish, and also keeping the paint slightly damp will help.
I made a custom color with 10 spoons of Conch and 5 of Wharf to get a light grey with purple hues in it.
I applied our custom color, but I didn't blend them too much at this point because it's the first coat and anyway it will be covered. We changed our mind on how we want to apply the colors, but you will see this on the second coat.
On the left corner I applied some gemstone mousse in amber. It will look really cool on the second coat. Not now for sure. I applied it around the handles too, but I've changed my mind about it in the end. In between the coats, we always wrap our brushes in a bag and spray some water inside to keep them moist. Let's move working on the second coat. Here I started with Conch, applying the most of the paint on the middle, and then I just drag it near the handles. So on the first drawer I applied half Conch, half our custom color, and then I blended them using up and down and side motions. For the blending I had 3 brushes, 2 for each color and a clean brush for blending. On the other drawers, I will apply our custom color only on the corners and then blended it. I did this on all of the drawers, and then I moved working on the bottom part where I did the same thing basically. Beside the left corner, Here we are at the last drawer. So I spreaded the paint on the drawer, and as I got to the Cooper spot I did dry brushing, so I wiped the excess paint on a piece of cloth and went over it with the leftover. It looks really good, I love it. For the top of the piece I did a custom voodoo gel stain made of tobacco road and au naturel. I wanted first to apply tobacco road all alone, but would be just too dark for this piece, felt like it needs to be a bit lighter and it's so pretty this color. Then I dumped the wood and I started applying our custom gel stain. Love it!
I sealed the whole piece with 3 layers of satin clear coat and the top with 3 layers of gator hide from Dixie Belle, and I let each coat to dry for about 2 hours.
The next chapter is Cooper Gilding Wax, which is the game changer for this piece really. Unfortunately, the video on how I created the drips and Cooper shadows on the corners doesn't exist because I haven't pressed record. But we posted the tutorial a while ago for these bedside tables, and it's the same technique for applying Cooper Gilding Wax, so I will link the tutorial in the description below. So sorry about that. And this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, learned something new, or it just inspired you in any way. And if you did so, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more furniture tutorials. See you next time. Bye!